teams already deep into development, what's the best way to identify industrial design or usability gaps?
Formatives. Just have people use your product. We spoke to different prototype fidelities. You don't need a perfect prototype to get feedback. We've used cardboard and duct tape to get user feedback because it's something really easy to pull together an idea and demonstrate it to someone and say, what do you think about this? And so when we speak industrial design or usability gaps, having people use the device and seeing where they struggle and designing solutions that cause them to struggle less. Axel, curious on your take on this.
Yeah, no, I think you're absolutely right. I think what I would add there too is also going back to, again, also really taking a step back and ask yourself, have you properly identified the variability within the user population, right? Some devices are used by, like you mentioned, Andrew, men, women, left-handed, right-handed people of all different ages. And, especially if you talk something like an insulin pump, for instance, to have some sort of a user interface, might be super easy for a savvy 15-year-old that use all the technology today to navigate in the menus and make sure that they're using that insulin pump the right way. But for someone that's 80 plus years old, don't have that technology background, will that person be able to use it as well as the 15-year-olds? I think that's also really making sure you map out who your users and patient population is, and kind of divide that into, because you might then have different test groups, is where I'm going with this, right? Yes, you want to test your device with the targeted patient population, but your patient population might be tremendously diverse. So you then need to make sure that it will going to work for all of them, right?
Quick and easy way, especially if you have a product that gets used by the hand, whether it's held in a hand or you press buttons with a finger, just use your non-dominant hand. We use our dominant hand so much that you can mimic the dexterity of someone more elderly than yourself by just using it in that non-dominant hand. So if you're right-handed, put it in the left hand. If it's difficult or if it's easy to use, you're probably on the right track.